Hey boys and girls, it's Tonya Emm and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a fallout review for Miss Azalyn 28, which I'm wearing now. It is a busy day for me, so I did not apply no makeup, so just bear with me. I know I look kind of crazy. I think I actually, you know what, pause. I'm positive speaking. I look damn good not having no makeup on. So anyway, this is Miss Azalyn 28 by Outre in the color Wheat Blonde. If you want to see the original review and installation, you can go ahead and click the link in the description box, or you can click the tag. I think I'm going to be able to put her up this time. I'm going to try. I wore her for 5 days. I installed her last Wednesday and wore her up into today. I'm going to take her off because I have a meeting to go to tomorrow. As far as her wear, she wore it really well. I did maintain the cramps throughout the week by using mousse daily. I'll just spread some mousse on there to tame any frizziness. However, yesterday I went ahead and brushed her out and it got bigger, so the waves are more loose now and the hair is more fluffier. She did kind of tangle in the back, but it wasn't bad. Like, I expected this to tangle so much because she is a cheaper synthetic unit. She was I purchased her for $30-something. However, I did find that she's on Ebony line for only $28 and some change. She did tangle, especially in the nape. As far as shedding, she didn't really shed that much either, but of course I wasn't running my fingers through the unit like that. So I just came out here to show you guys what she looks like after all that time. My edges is not laid at all. Like, I think I laid them once or twice while wearing her, but I don't really mess with them because I be in the house. So this is how she looks. This is how the ends look. I really think this is a unit that I'll be able to wash and restyle, or just wash and put back on my head. Like, she's one of those units that's going to last a while. And again, she was very easy to apply. As you can go see my install, I did not have to pluck her because I could not pluck her. And I just, applied her like any other wig I do. Yeah, so now it's time to take her off. I'm going to miss her. I was getting some irritation behind my ear. Right here, it's like the band from the wig is just right there and it hurts. So I'm excited to take her off and scratch my hair for a bit, and then I'll come back with the next wig I'm going to apply. I don't know, like, usually I said I was going to have the next wig that I wanted to wear out so y'all can like kind of have a sneak peek, but I honestly don't know. I did want to do like a style this time, so I'm probably going to do a lace frontal wig. I'm thinking of Katya by, I think that's by Outre. Yeah. Y'all know Outre has been one of my main hitters lately, so I really love it. Yeah, so I want to do like a cute little hairstyle, a little updo with the lace frontals to show you how versatile they are. If you have any other questions about this unit, you can go ahead and put the comments down below and I'll respond. Thanks for watching.